Hello guys, welcome to Finstock Biztalk. This is a channel where we talk about business. We give you insights about businesses. We talk everything revolving the world of businesses, and we teach you on how to do basic business startup and as well as manage your business. I hope you will learn a thing or two. And my name is Emma.
And my name is Patrick, and today we have another topic that is going to be talking about you guys dancers. The last video that we did concerning dancers was about how to make money as a dancer.
How to make money as a dancer.
Yeah, and people asked how you can prepare for a competition because a lot of competitions have prize money.
Yeah.
So we are going to be discussing that. So
you have to get the moolah.
Yes, get that money.
Yeah.
So the first point that you're going to be discussing on how you can win and nail every competition that you do is prepare before the competition, of course. And when I say prepare before the competition, a lot of you guys will think like, the competition is next week, so I need to prepare now. No, it's actually you can prepare. The least that you can do to make sure that you win the competition is to prepare maybe a month earlier. You need to prepare for the competition.
Some people even prepare for more than 1 month earlier. They do 3 months earlier.
Yeah, a month is the least that you can do.
Yeah. And when we talk about preparation, so they say practice makes perfect. Yeah. So when you keep on practicing, the synchrony will get into your body, and you will be able to not forget. I have seen people in the stage. They are in the stage and they don't remember some of the basic moves they did.
And you see, if you see someone forget how to do a move, it's because that they have not done
enough practice.
So when you practice a move, there is something called muscle memory. When you practice a move enough times, you don't have to think about the move. Yeah. Your body already have consumed the move. So when you do a certain movement, your body
already know the next one.
Yeah. But if you have done it 3 days before the competition,
oh my God, you will forget.
I'm sorry, but you're not getting the money. Yeah. The second point is picking a song. Yeah. So and when you're talking about picking a song, don't pick a song that everyone knows. This is a competition, it's not a showcase. So it's actually important to pick a song that less people know it, and it's a little bit relatable to the topic about the competition.
So it's about being unique.
Yeah, it's about being unique. Just pick a song that is unique. Yeah. Maybe people have never even heard of. Don't pick a song that is trending on TikTok.
Yeah, and when you say about picking a song, I think you also need to pick a song that has emotions, or a song that you can relate with, so that when you're dancing, you can be able to synchronize those emotions with you, and you can be able to present them, and that gives you a tip and a point. And the adjudicators actually, they love people with emotions.
And when I say pick a song, actually I can add something here. Let's say there is a song that everyone knows. Maybe it's trending at the moment. Maybe it's a TikTok dance or a TikTok trend. The song is trending at the moment. But in a competition, you don't want to do that song. But you can actually pick a song that nobody has ever heard. Then maybe for 3 seconds, you can put the song that everyone knows. Just to entertain.
Like a jump start.
Yeah, like a jump start. And the third point that I'm going to be discussing is energy. So a lot of you guys know energy is very key to winning a competition. And actually engaging with the crowd. And I'll tell you this, maybe you don't know, but how judges do. One of the judges is the crowd. So if you can be able to relate the crowd and entertain them, the judges will consider the crowd is the other judge. So if you can be able to entertain the crowd, you have.
So I think energy actually wins, and I can't imagine in a dance competition and you're dancing like you have not eaten for 3 days. No one will love your dance.
A member of a choir.
Like you're dancing just like this, and you expect to win. That is not happening.
Because there is your competitor who is doing workout and dancing all day to gain energy. So you don't stand a chance against them. So make sure you are energetic. The fourth point that we're going to be discussing is watch the video of the song. Let's say you have picked a song. And maybe one of the judges know the song, but you don't know even what the song entails. So when you watch the video, when you watch the video, you are able to get the picture of what the song is talking about.
Yeah, you're even able to relate with the emotions. If the person was singing, maybe let's say it's a rap song, and that person was singing about a heartbreak. When you watch that video, you're able to understand how does this person felt at that time, and you're able to translate these feelings into the dance, and this will give you a bonus tip.
So I'm imagining, for this case, maybe it's a song that is not even your language and you don't understand. But then, because the song is hyped, it's talking about maybe energy. But if you watch the video, you notice that it's talking maybe about someone that died. And maybe you put the song and it's a sad song, and then you're very happy. And then it's gonna look like
you don't even understand what
you don't understand. So, and the last point that we're going to be discussing is wear comfortable and unique clothes. So this is where we have a confusing element, because we say we are comfortable and unique. So when I say comfortable, make sure it's something that you can dance with. And when I say unique, I don't mean that you come with metallic clothes or those Superman clothes.
Because you still need to consider that you need to be comfortable.
Moving.
So imagine like you are in a stage, and let's say one point that you need to consider when you're talking about being in unique clothes and in comfortable clothes, you need to wear clothes that align to the vision or to whatever you want to present, what you want your audience to get. Then if you have a story that, let's say your dance has a story to tell, maybe you can decide if you're talking about being a beggar, you think about which kind of clothes will well represent being a beggar.
Exactly. You don't come up with a thing about the song being a beggar, and you come up wearing a tuxedo and a Versace suit.
Unless it was relevant. Unless it was relevant to the song. So, but generally, you can be able to judge and know which kind of outfit should I wear, and how well does it go in hand with whatever I'm dancing.
Exactly. So these details, make sure you look at them and digest them. These are going to be helping you in your dancing careers and winning competition and getting the money. So we also offer some courses in how you can become a choreographer and earn money in dancing, choreographing. So make sure you visit our website, www.finstockuniversity.com.
And these courses are very affordable.
Very affordable. Very affordable. So make sure you visit.
Yes. Make sure at the end of this video you like, comment and subscribe. Hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can be notified. And if you have a dance experience or a way, or you have a comment on regarding the topic, how to stand out in a dance competition, if you have a unique style of doing, or you have a unique point, or something that you can help, you can state and it will help others, make sure to leave it in the comment section, and we really appreciate.
Until next time.
Goodbye.